Well, look what arrived. Oh my God. It's been 39 days from the time I ordered it to delivery. But it's here. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Of course, we start walking around it and we look, there's a hole here. And this corner looks pretty good. The bottom doesn't look too bad. So the corner down there don't look real good. Alright, let me get it open, see what we got. The staples are already pulled out. It looks like somebody opened it already. Oh my goodness, there'd be a bicycle in there. Alright, let me take a minute and get it out and we'll see what we got. Okay, as you can see, I got it out of the box. Got all the foam and all the wrapping off of it. And it's actually in pretty good shape. There's no dings and there's no dents. I know a lot of people are saying they got scratches and dings and scrapes and everything. One thing I learned, I put the bag on. The bag doesn't fit quite right. And what I learned was, you see this? I figured the bag should go underneath of that. Well, guess what? I went online and looked. The bag should go on top of that because this whole bag looks like it should shift that way. You can't go that way because this little bracket here is holding it. So the bag's got to come off and go on top of that. And there are videos online where people are cutting them. People are cutting them all the way across here, putting hooks on, etc., etc. Go online and look. But anyhow, you'll know when you put it on for the first time, the bag goes on top of that bar right there. Now, okay, we're going to get the battery out. Battery's in here. First thing you need is the key. And the key goes in way down there. I'll be back as soon as I get the key in. Okay, I've got the key in, and let's go around the other side. I've got the key in, and pay attention right here. See that come out like that? I can now take the key out, and that locks the battery in, and you can't get the battery out until this is turned. So, we put the key back in. Easier said than done. I'll be back. Okay, I got the key in. You put the key in and you turn it. If you push in and turn to the left towards the back, that button goes in. And now the next important part is to get the battery out, you have to take the key out. The key has to be out, otherwise, as you pull the battery back, the key hits, the key gets locked in. So at this point, anyhow, with the key out, you just lift the bike here and take your right hand and put it up here and swing it, and then just grab the battery and pull it out with your left hand. And I'm going to take it up and charge it, and you can charge it while it's in the bike. But I'm not going to because I have a reason. So let me get the battery out and we'll go, I'll go put it on charge and I'll be back. Okay, the battery's charging like I said, and while you were gone I mounted a mount right here. That's for the camera. And here's why I didn't charge it. What I want to do is we read all the things I read online on how hard it is to pedal this bike and everything. So what I want to do is I want to go out and I want to pedal it. No battery, no nothing. And just take it out for a little ride. And shift it down a little bit. Oh, it pedals pretty easy. It's not fast. But anyhow, people are constantly going, oh, it's so hard to pedal. Nope, it's not. Alright. Okay, let me go on home and I'll be back when it's charged. It doesn't turn like a regular bicycle, I can tell you that. You need more room. It doesn't, well, I guess it takes a little getting used to. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, battery's in. They said you start pedaling first, so I'm told. Push the button one time. Whoa, we are moving. Oh, that's just too cool. Alright. Okay, when you pedal, as you start to pedal, the power comes on. The second I stop pedaling, let's see, pedal, power's on, stop on. About a second later, the power stops. So that is pretty cool. All right, let's we push. Ooh, pause. Pushed it up to 2. And the second you hit the brake, yeah, the motor stops. That's good. Okay. Alright, now I see. I went to turn it, I started to pedal, and it took off in pause 2. So that's why they say if you're going to turn, shift down to 1 or down to 0. Alrighty. Okay, anyhow, this has just been a little video of the bike, getting it ready to go. I'm going to take it out and play with it. So I will talk to you on the next video. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.